Here's how to restore the classic Android notification panel so notifications and quick settings appear together instead of as separate panels, where supported in just 2 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to bring back the familiar notification panel with just a few taps. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the quick settings panel. This is where you'll find the controls for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other shortcuts. Once the panel is open, make sure it is fully expanded so every available option is visible. On supported Samsung Galaxy devices, you'll also see the edit icon, which looks like a pencil. Next, tap the pencil icon to enter quick panel edit mode. You'll see options for customizing your quick settings layout. Then tap panel settings. A new screen will appear with layout choices for your notification panel. After that, select together instead of separate. Once you tap it, the together option will become selected, changing the way notifications and quick settings appear when you swipe down from the top of the screen. Now, return to your home screen and swipe down from the top edge. You should immediately see notifications and quick settings displayed together in a single combined panel, just like the classic layout. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Swipe down once to open notifications, then swipe down again to fully expand the panel. Tap the pencil icon, open panel settings, and look for the together option. If it still isn't available, your phone model or the current software on your device may not support switching back to the classic combined layout. If you cannot find panel settings at all, make sure the quick settings panel is fully expanded before looking for the pencil icon, since some devices only display it after expanding the panel completely. Once everything is set, swiping down from the top of the screen will once again display notifications and quick settings together in a single combined notification panel. Following these simple steps makes restoring the classic Android notification panel quick and easy.